Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's a new year and I bet you want to start your diet goals in 2023. Am I right? So then come and join me and let's begin on making this gluten-free, no sugar brownies. You want to know how I make it? Then keep on watching! Guys, I'm hands down in this best recipe for gluten-free brownies. It has never let me down on baking the most delicious, rich, and fudgy treats. So let's start, and here's the simple and basic ingredients we need. So we'll be needing 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of hot milk. Mix both ingredients and leave it and set it aside for 10 minutes. This recipe needs only 2 ripe bananas. Mash it up with a fork until it's softened. Bananas are great for vegan baking, and due to this recipe like this, it keeps my brownies soft and moist. And since this is a no sugar recipe, bananas is the main sweetener in this gluten-free brownies. Once you're done mashing and softening the bananas, transfer it to another mixing bowl. On that, add 2 large eggs. Mix it up until well combined. In here, I'm also adding 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder making for a deeply colored and distinctly chocolatey brownie. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder for a brownie fluffy texture. Mix all the ingredients until the eggs perfectly combine with the dry ingredients. Now it's time to pour in our oats and milk mixture into the bowl of our banana and chocolate mixture. Mix it up until all the ingredients are perfectly incorporated. And it's ready to go! So now I'll be preparing my baking pan. Pour in some small amount of oil and brush and spread it all over the pan so our mixture will not stick on the pan. Then pour in our chocolate banana oats mixture. Level your brownie batter into the pan so it will cook and bake evenly. And this gluten-free brownies is best to top with your favorite mixed nuts. In my recipe, I'm topping it with a mix of walnuts and almond nuts. And this will add additional crunch in your gluten-free brownies. Pop the pan into your preheated 180 degrees oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Wow! So here's my gluten-free, no sugar, banana oats chocolate brownies. Guys, I'm sure this is going to be the best brownie recipe you will ever try in 2023. This is my absolute favorite brownie recipe that's always including in my diet plans. I'm pretty sure this recipe will start achieving your diet goals. Guys, I hope you will give my recipe a try, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, tap the notification bell so that you're always notified and updated every time I have new upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is so beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!